Today, we'll learn all about the suffix ness. Remember, suffixes are little chunks of letters that go at the ends of words. They change the meaning of the word. For example, kindly, kindness, sweeter, sweetness, happiest, happiness. These all have slightly different meanings because of the ending suffix. Let's find out what ness together means. When we see ness at the ends of words, it can sometimes mean a state of being. For example, she is being this thing called calm, so she is in a state of calmness. Say calmness. He is in a sad state, so we say he is experiencing sadness. Say sadness. A lot of people on earth can be in a state of being good, so we might say there is a lot of goodness in the world. Say goodness. Now we know what ness means. Tell me the word that means the state of being lonely. Loneliness. Tell me the word that means the state of being ill. Illness. Tell me the word that means the state of being happy. Happiness. It's writing time, writing time. Take out your marker or your pencil. We're going to write our words with ness. Repeat after me. Calmness. Write the letter sounds that you hear. K, calm. Calmness. Calmness. Check your spelling. Say shyness. Write the letter sounds that you hear. Sh, I, shy, ness.